Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take animated photo, GIF photo, GIF photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, open camera on your phone and then go to camera settings and here select swipe shutter button 2. It is already set in. First option, take burst shot. You have to click on second one, create GIF, and then now if you swipe the shutter button from middle to below, that is middle to bottom, swipe down from the shutter button, it will take GIF photo, that is animated photo. Go to the camera and now from the shutter button swipe and hold and down. Okay, swipe down. Okay, and see here and see the result image. This is animated GIF photo. Okay, once again I am taking another one. See here, touch, then hold, then swipe, touch and swipe like this. Okay, see here. So in this way you can easily take animated photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.